Secondly, they gain the confidence and the relief sometimes of these elected officials. They're like, thank goodness someone in the community is not, is not yelling at us. They don't really like the project, but they're being reasonable. And so let's go ahead and put the developer in touch with them. Let's encourage both parties, to find some kind of win-win scenario, which leaves element number 3 of impact. The developer now has lost any kind of control of the destiny of this project.